All right, first order of business. This oil filter's coming with me. You know, one cool thing I like about these sideways filters is they don't get oil on me. Ooh, hot. I know what you're thinking. How do you work on cars if you don't like oil on you? And that's easy. You can like what you do or be good at what you do and still not like certain parts of it. Besides, every job has something that people don't like. Hey look, there's no oil in it. It's like not a lot at all. Let's capture what comes out and see. That was pretty low. Maybe our noise is low oil pressure. Oh no. Yeah, we're not catching much oil out of this. Oh wow. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. There it is. Hey, that's the Halloween doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it's like it's April right now. I don't know if that's gonna be it. Filters this. 85358. Okay. Check it out, dude. Look, we drained like 2 quarts of oil maybe out of this thing. Ooh. I put that on halfway through. There's like a quart in the bucket. Not even, it's like a half a quart in the little bucket. This thing had almost no oil in it.
Wow.
You did the last oil change. What happened?
There's almost no oil?
Yeah, there's like, it's like 2 or 3 quarts maybe, tops, like 2 quarts.
I have no
Did you put the right amount of oil in it, Pete?
Yeah, I always put the right amount of oil in it.
Well, what happened to it? 'Cause it's not leaking. All right.
You know me, man. If you can't take me in my hoodlies, you won't like me in my doodlies.
That didn't hurt. It was a piece of plastic. Get out of here. Loud noises. All right, it's been a few moments here. And what do we got in there? Half a quart. So we drained a quart of oil out of this. That is all. Oops. It's Pete's fault. Pete, you blew up the engine in this car, dude.
Huh?
You blew the engine up in this car. It came in with like no oil in it, and
That's not me. I put the recommended in.
you were the. How do you know you put the recommended amount in?
Because I always do what the computer tells me to.
Oh, you do what the computer tells you to do. You need to get unplugged, man.
No.
Don't do what the computers tell you to do. That's a bad idea. Wait, what?
I said, he's got to get unplugged and you're tubing it.
Yeah. Click.